Hi friends, this video shows how to find all free driving or racing games in the PlayStation Store. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. First go to Games tab. Select Games tab from top left corner. Go to PlayStation Store. Now we are inside PlayStation Store. Here on top, go to right side, select Browse tab. Then go down. Now on left side we can see one sort and filter option. Select it. So here we have to select price, then set free, done. Then go back, then select category. So here go down and select driving and racing, done. Then go back. So these are the free driving games available in the PlayStation Store. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. From this list, for example, let me select one game, then set download button, so that way we can download and install this game in PS5. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.